change tracks and touch base with important management. Avanti Feeds, they've seen a rebound of 30% from their one-year low. Can continue to deliver strong revenue CAGR is something that we want to discuss with the management, because the US demand and export trend seems to be coming back to the normal trend line. And Indra Kumar, who's CMD of Avanti Feeds, joins us to discuss his business plans. Mr. Kumar, it's great to have you on the show. Thanks very much for taking out the time. Let's start by talking about one of the key reasons for the decline witnessed in Avanti Feeds a little while back, the decline in US demand. You had mentioned that demand, along with export prices, has returned to normalcy. So what's the increase that you've seen from a troublesome Q4? How will the numbers shift in Q1 from a pricing perspective?
The beginning of the year, in January, there was a slow demand in the U.S. and other parts because of the climate conditions. And now the consumptions have gone up, and it has now picked up. The demand is picked up, though the pricing has not picked up as normal. But when compared to the other meats, shrimp was on a very higher side, and now it is corrections can take place. The consumption is going
up. The entire shrimp feed export market also is getting slightly competitive. You know, every now and then I get a sense that more and more companies are moving into this area. Now, you've been a dominant leader in this market. You've had significant market share, but now has local competition and more organized competition, has that increased?
For us, see, there's a lot of companies which were existing and new companies have come in, but I don't find any threat on this thing. And the shrimp feed is technically it's more science involved, and since in the shrimp nutrition is more important, I don't find any competition in our segment here. Not much.
What about competition coming from Thailand? We know that has been this, that's volatile pocket for the global export market.
Thailand has had a problem with some disease around 4 or 5 years back, and they have not recovered from that. And there's not much competition from Thailand. We are much, quality of the shrimp is much better than any other parts of the world. And Thailand, as you said, Thailand is not a competition. It's not no more a competition for India.
But, Mr. Kumar, while we are talking about competition, is because of the fact that they're also expanding their shrimp feed capacity very aggressively. Do you sense that could perhaps weigh on prices? Because I'm sure in this kind of a competitive scenario, there would be some price cuts, and either the domestic players or the ones from Thailand would try and lure more market share by easing on the prices.
No, shrimp feed is not exported, madam. Shrimp feed is not exported. Shrimp feed is domestically sold to the farmers. In Thailand, they sell to the local farmers, and in India, we sell to the local farmers. The shrimp is being exported. The shrimp, what is coming out of the ponds, is processed and exported to the other countries.
Exactly what I meant. Go ahead, please.
The shrimp feed is domestically sold to the farmers.
We believe that domestically also capacity is expanding aggressively, and that may be a bit of a pressure point for your business.
No, there's an expansion on the business, the shrimp feed capacities, and we have been also expanding on our company. We have expanded new facility has come up in March with 175,000 tons. The culture is also growing, but the fittest will survive. The best will be surviving.
So what is the trend that you witnessed in major raw materials? Because we understand that while soybean has declined, fish meal prices have risen. Is that going to impact your margins going forward?
Yes. Because last year compared to 2016-17 and 17-18 was a very good year because the raw material prices were low. Now again the raw material prices have risen. Even the soya has risen and fish meal has risen. And now it will be on the par with around 2016-17. We have to take a base year as 2016-17.
Okay, Mr. Kumar, appreciate your time. Thank you for joining us. Let's take a break.